Hello everyone! The fleet maintenance system plays a crucial role in logistics companies by ensuring the proper upkeep and maintenance of their vehicles. This system is essential for maintaining the efficiency, reliability, and safety of the fleet. Logistics companies heavily rely on their vehicles to transport goods and meet customer demands. Regular maintenance and repairs are necessary to prevent breakdowns and minimize costly downtime. The fleet maintenance system helps logistics companies schedule preventive maintenance, inspections, work order, remainder, workflow for approvals, equipment management, parts and inventory, ensuring that they are carried out on time. By implementing a fleet maintenance system, logistics companies can effectively manage their vehicle maintenance schedules, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. This system also helps in tracking the maintenance history of each vehicle, facilitating proper documentation and ensuring compliance with regulations. Additionally, the fleet maintenance system allows logistics companies to monitor important vehicle performance metrics, such as fuel efficiency and mileage, enabling them to identify potential issues and implement measures for improvement. This proactive approach helps optimize the fleet's performance and reduce operational costs, such as make sure vehicles are fit for purpose. Pre-plan your fleet vehicle maintenance schedules, optimize your driving routes, educate drivers to recognize issues, keep your vehicles clean, utilize fleet management technology. In conclusion, the fleet maintenance system is crucial for logistics companies as it helps them maintain a reliable and efficient fleet, minimize downtime, comply with regulations, and ultimately provide superior service to their customers.